AMC, GameStop, AMC, GameStop. What new data do we have? What new catalysts do we have? What are the charts looking like? We just got major news yesterday. Jerome Powell cut rates by 0.5 BPS, and the SPY obviously is ripping, up 1.82%, trading at 571.61, in which we did enter calls yesterday in Discord and made a little bit of a gain on. I can show you right here on the screen. Now that we have a new certain vibe for the market, at least for right now, how does this new vibe, new trend affect our squeeze plays? Well, if we take a look at SPY overlaid over AMC right prior to the January 2021 run-up, this is what you saw happen coincidentally. This double top and then this massive rip right here in November of 2020. What's happening right now? Massive double top and then an insane rip September of 2024. What happens 78 days later? Well, the SPY continues to scale higher, and then 78 days later, AMC had that thousands of percentage of rally back in January, as well as GameStop having that same exact move. Is this going to be the case? Maybe, maybe not. If we bring the drawings in right here for the SPY, you can see that it's playing out very, very similar to back here. Got the double top and then the rip. And then this is the bars pattern from the prior one, just to show you, not changed at all, okay, how similar this is. This is just the bars pattern copy and pasted from the previous time the SPY did this, and this is exactly what you would see. And then coming right here, December 5th, 2024, we have that thousands of percentage of run up. Now, the only thing different this time around is that AMC is not back during this January setup. It's actually very close to this June run up. In fact, that's the part of the cycle we have been sitting on. Well, we look at late May of 2021, and what happened? We ripped to an all-time high right here and then continued to go higher. Overall, what we're looking at for the SPY is something like this, a gradual uptrend from here on out. That's something that we could potentially see with the Fed potentially avoiding a recession. We'll talk a little bit about that later. AMC's trading at $4.80, flat again on the day. We are still right here. Nothing has changed. And I want to kind of show you guys something to point that out a little bit better. Looking at GameStop, people are losing faith because of the current trend we have been in, but you have to remember what GameStop does. It does not care where it's at, and it can pop at any given time. Look right here, you had the same downtrend. People thought it was completely over. These red candles, these push down, this chop trading. And then right where this arrow is pointing, all of a sudden, GameStop, sudden move up. Same thing right here. Oh, we're crashing, we're falling. GameStop's not catching. It's falling knife. Bang, right here. Same thing. This is just what GameStop does. And if you come and you take a look at the chart again, same thing. Oh, it's falling, it's crashing. Right here, bang. You go back, right here, falling, crashing, bang. Right? This is just what GameStop does. So what am I saying is, don't be all upset on these downturns, because most of the time, normally, it's just a dip by opportunity where GameStop just goes right up without warning any investors. GameStop also had January call contracts loaded up yesterday, the $20 strike, just to put that on your radar as well. AMC, according to Ortex, is sitting at 15.11% short interest. We pay attention to this for the trend, and the trend shows that shorts have added on more because we were just sitting about 1% lower than this. AMC, also tons and tons of calls expiring out of the money. Premium going to market makers for this week. Disgusting, not what we want to see. Almost 400,000 call contracts were bet this week, and 360,000 of them are expiring in the money as of right now. Obviously, we have today's trading day and then tomorrow's as well. So that's just something to note. We are losing on the options chain, 41,000 puts compared to 31,000 calls expiring in the money. Not a good sight to see. Lastly, fundamental aspect side of things, the largest theater chains, including AMC and Regal Cinemas and Cinemark, will invest more than $2.2 billion over the next 3 years to upgrade theaters in the US and Canada. Improvements will be made by the 8 biggest theater chains in the region, representing over 21,000 screens and 67% of box office sales. Another just good thing for the fundamentals. I don't know how much AMC actually has to do this, seeing that they are in debt and continue to dilute shareholders, but hey, they're upgrading their theaters. Figured I'd point that out. And since it's split amongst all of those theater chains, it's obviously not just $2.2 billion from AMC. Tesla reacted very positively. We already expected this was coming, up 7%, trading at $243.06. This is a rate sensitive stock, and we have cut rates by 0.5 instead of 0.25, which is very bullish for Tesla, breaking out of a crucial descending resistance line. If we close above 240, specifically 242 would be better. That would be very good for Tesla and likely confirm a move up to 255 to 260. Overall, Tesla is looking extremely bullish. Nvidia not getting as strong of a move as we would like to see. Yes, it is up almost 6%, but it's testing the top of this channel still, and Nvidia has yet to break out or break down. But obviously every stock is reacting well to the rate cuts, at least the Magnificent Seven. Last but not least, crypto. Bitcoin is up 63,500. Here are some levels to watch: 64K, and then ultimately to break out of the top of this descending channel that we have been in, 66,500. If we break and close above that, that's going to bring us to hopefully 69K, in which if we close above that and then open, you're likely to push all-time highs on Bitcoin above 73,000. Just to put it into perspective, this is the channel. If you'd like to screenshot it, we just broke the mid part of the channel and have been getting very, very strong moves up, and this is exactly what we want to see. The real tests will come when we hit 66,500. Couple last things: Germany's Commerzbank to offer Bitcoin and crypto trading to 11.6 million retail customers, which is bullish for Bitcoin. And Germany's largest car company, Volkswagen, is planning to lay off as many as 30,000 employees. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for today's video. Let me know what you think about the rate cuts down below. And again, if you didn't see it in yesterday's video, we have a ton of add-ons to Discord. Option sweeps, insider trades, market news, breakout trades, dark pool activity coming in by bots on the daily that give you access to all of the information in the market. If you're not in the Discord yet, it's the same price right now. In about a week from now, we're going to decide if we want to keep all of this in, and then Discord price will go up. But if you're in right now, you are grandfathered in. Again, that is the third link in the description of the video. I also post my trades as soon as I enter them. We talk stocks and crypto in there all day long. Overall, best vibes. There are no bad questions, guys. Get in the Discord. It is a coffee a month. The second link in the description is for Moomoo. It's a free broker. If you open an account through them and make a deposit into there, you're earning up to 15 free stocks and earning 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash, as well as getting access to level 2 order book data for free, access to trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more. So go to that, guys. That is the second link in the description, and I will leave it pinned in the top of comments alongside my custom indicator, where you can get it for 2 weeks for free. Pattern detection and forecasting, the most powerful, most unique indicator out there. Go try it out for 2 weeks, guys. Open a Moomoo account, get in the Discord. I love you all. Lottery Socks out.